Hi, I'm Annalise from Jackmail. Do you want to see how our plugin works? Then grab a coffee, make yourself comfortable, and let's get started.
How to create my first campaign with Jackmail. Once Jackmail is activated in your WordPress backend, you'll find our menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This menu gives you access to all the features Jackmail provides. Let's begin our tour by creating a campaign. A good newsletter would be nothing without a good contact list. So let's start there. The list menu gathers all the contacts you collect through your website, from your WordPress users to your WooCommerce customers and your form submissions. Everything is centralized here. Jackmail integrates with the most popular form plugins such as Gravity Forms, Ninja Forms, and many more. Now let's start by creating a new contact list from scratch. Hit the button and give your list a name. There are several ways you can create your list. You can import a file or connect through our API, or you can simply copy-paste your contacts. For this example, I'm importing my personal file of 1000 contacts. This process only takes a few seconds. You can segment the list to display just a certain part of your contacts. For example, the unsubscribers or the hard bounces. You can also manage the columns. This is useful when you want to customize your newsletter. Jackmail will also remove any duplicate contacts and clean up your list automatically by excluding the unsubscribers and the hard bounces. Great! Now your list is ready. So let's start creating a campaign. You can create two types of campaigns in Jackmail: a regular campaign and automated emails, also called workflows. Workflows allow you to send certain emails automatically based on triggers, such as when you publish a new post or add a new product, or when you get a new subscriber. Go ahead and check out our other videos to learn more about this feature. For now, let's create a regular campaign. Start by naming it. At this point, you can select an already existing list or make a new one manually. Let's pick the list we created earlier. You can also skip this step and come back to it later if you want. Once your list is imported, you can view and manage all your contacts here. Now let's head over to the email builder. This next step is where you create and edit your message. Start from scratch or get inspired by the various free templates provided by Jackmail. Jackmail's email builder is an easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor. You can import posts, pages, pictures, CTA buttons. Everything is customizable. Jackmail offers a large free template library. With the freemium plan, you get 10 free templates, whilst with the premium plan, you have access to all. Let's browse and pick one. Let's see. How about this one? Let's try to import a post. First, pick a block. Then select the post content and drag and drop it to your block. Then select the post and the way it should be displayed. You can display the full content, a summary, with or without a picture. It's up to you. And there we go. It's as simple as that. Of course, all your designs are responsive. Don't forget to add a subject line to your newsletter. Also, add a reply to email address and, of course, the name of the sender. Before the sending, Jackmail wants to be sure everything is okay, and that's where the checklist comes in. Send yourself a test email to check the rendering of your message. And when you're ready, send it immediately, or schedule your campaign for a later date. Simply choose the date and the time that you wish and confirm. Once you confirm, your message will be sent to Jackmail's routing platform, moderated and then delivered. This process will only take a few minutes. Jackmail has powerful servers. Each day, around 8 to 10 million emails are sent through our platform. So don't worry, your message is in safe hands. Now that your campaign has been sent, you can check the results in the statistics section. The freemium plan gives you access to a general overview of your statistics. However, with the premium plan, you'll have a more detailed overview, powerful segmentation, and retargeting. Opening rate, clicks, unsubscribe rate, you'll find out everything. And if you're a premium user, you can reach us directly via our live chat in the plugin. We're always happy to help.
So you've just seen how you can create your first email campaign with Jackmail. If you want to explore more of our features, be sure to check our other videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach us through our live chat or through our ticketing system at jackmail.com. See you in Jackmail!